long period, but if hello everyone, let's see. Actually, I have been trying to do the stream for a long time, but yeah, haven't done it. And I want to do it regularly at a particular schedule. So let's check the status of cryptocurrency prices today. The global crypto market cap is $2.3 trillion at the moment, and the max at some point was, I think, close to $4 trillion. Okay, so but at the moment is $2.34 trillion, with Bitcoin is capturing the biggest share of this market cap. So the market cap of Bitcoin is $1.26 trillion. Okay, 1.27, close to $1.27 trillion, and the price has lately, like during this week, it has been going down. Okay, the second highest top cryptocurrency is Ethereum. The symbol is ETH, and the market cap, current market cap, is $429 billion. Okay, and the second is Tether USDT, which is just basically US dollar coin in the crypto world. Okay, and the fourth one is BNB coin, which is Binance. Which is the Binance, which is, I think, uh, representing Binance exchange. Okay, so is their coin BNB. The market cap is $86 billion. Then number 5 is Solana. That has gained a lot, actually, because this one is showing 24 hours change in the price. So it over the last this one is showing 24 hours change, which is like 0.62% down, and over the week Solana has been down 7.62%. Okay, and Bitcoin is down by, I think, 3.93%. So it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana is all are actually down. But yeah, like either in the last hour they have started going up. We can see this green here. Bitcoin up in the last during the last trading hour is 1%. This one is Ethereum 1.4, 1.28% is and then this one Solana is 2.64. Then there is Dogecoin, which is altcoin. Its market cap is $17 billion dollars. And then there are other AVAX, Avalanche. That's also quite popular. It has a market cap of $10.9 billion dollars. And then there is Shiba, that has been quite popular. It is a meme coin. Shiba and Dogecoin both are meme coins, but have a quite huge like they are quite popular. See, here is $10.6 billion and 17 or $18 billion is the market cap. And it used to be a much higher before, like when the market was peaked in 2022. So and then we can see here there is Polygon. Okay, Polygon was down, like for the week. During the week it was down by 3%, and now start gaining. It has started going up. So I'm seeing that today which ones have gained the most. So basically these are all the top cryptocurrencies. We can see them there. So here and like it's like I would say is better and safer because the crypto market is so volatile. It's better to trade, or basically people are recommending, experts are recommending to buy crypto, top trading crypto, and hold them for a long period. But if you are like only for expert traders, um it's advisable to do trading, but most of the time it's recommended that you just buy and hold for a long term again cryptocurrencies. And the better strategy to avoid any type of risk is to just buy and hold. Okay, and it seems like it's just a lot of coins are going to go up. So yeah, I mean, yeah, all these coins. So I have from time to time held some of these, not all of these. For example, Bitcoin I have traded a little bit, not too much, because I was interested in more in all altcoins. Okay, so I little bit of Ethereum have done, and then yeah, currently I'm holding some BNB, Solana, and then very little portion, like few, I think, Dogecoins. Then I have a chunk of Avalanche, AVAX coin, and then some little bit, like few, of Shiba. Then I have this one, which is I don't know, yeah, not this Polygon. I do have which one do I have? Yeah, I have this one, GRD. What else? Yeah, I have a big chunk of Phantom. So Phantom's market cap is $1.65 billion today. Yeah, so from these, I have Phantom, I have AVAX, Avalanche. Okay, AVAX has a bigger market cap. Here it's in the top, like I would say 10 if you exclude USDC and USDT, because these are basically US dollars. So it's in the top 10. Okay, Avalanche. And this one is also let's see if it's worth buying. ADA, Cardano. I mean, a lot of people have, one person that I watched a YouTube video, he bought Cardano when it was trading at like very low, like 3 years ago. I would say all time. So this one he bought like at this point where it was 0.1, I think. Yeah, 0.1. And from 0.1 to it went to like $3, 285. Okay, so it's like I don't know how much is a big gain from that point to $3, and he made millions by holding, just buying at this low price and holding it. So I mean, yeah, it's like now it's the cycle repeats itself. Okay, history repeats itself. So if that has to happen again, and it's still quite low, this Cardano is still quite low, and it means that there is a huge like potential for yeah, there is a huge potential for it to gain from at this point. If it goes by 10 times, it's like it's still 10 times gain. Okay, so the strategy is just buy one of these coins and hold. Okay, and then let's check let's check where is that thing. Let's check I will go back to this main thing, main tab. Yeah, so that's a good one. Let's check AVAX. Is I see if all-time high, and I'm going to see this candlestick chart. So Avalanche was 3 like in December. In December it was like the lowest was 270, and it went from 270 to 146. So it's like close to 10 times, 1000% gain from there to there, and now is 27, 28, 27.7. I say for $27.7. So still there is a huge potential. And then yeah, it went to 99.74. When was it like this? It was in September. In September it went down to the lowest price was during this this downtrend, huge downtrend from 2020 high 2021 high to this point was $8.7. Okay, at the end of 20, it was not exactly the end, it was September, and from there it has started going up. So it seems like this one, I would say, I mean, I'm seeing, watching other people also just mentioning about this. So this cycle seems to be repeating, you know, like when you see 2020 cycle, from there to there it made this kind of pattern. Okay, and the videos about like what is that, what is Solana, okay, not Bitcoin actually. So I see it's like banana, they are calling it like a banana zone when it just goes exponentially. Yeah, so it's like we are entering that zone, exponential zone again. And there is a chart which I'll bring up, like I don't have it right now, but it's like the repeated pattern. Okay, so it has happened before in 2020 and even before that, and then it's repeating itself. The pattern seems to be repeating, so there is a great chance for it to be for it to repeat itself. So yeah, from here it went from like $10 second phase, it went from $10 to 95, like what, like 150%. Okay, so 146, 10 to 146 is like 1500 times. Yeah, it's like 1500 times. And then from 2 to 60 is from $3 to 60. It was 3000%, right? Yeah, 30 times, which is like 3000%. So and here from this peak to here, so you see 8 to from $9 to $50 is not as big. So let's like 5 times from here. Okay, and this one is like 30 times from here. It was the initial, you know, with you during this 2020 market upwards market trend. It was like from here it was $3 to $60. Avalanche went from $3 to $60, and then from $10 it went to $146. Okay, so that's Avalanche. And let's see Cardano. What did it do? Okay, so that's the whole chart. I'm not seeing here what was it before, but it's like I would say 0.2. Maybe it was the lowest was 0.018, it went from 0.018 to $1.32. It's like huge gain during this initial phase, which was December 2017. Okay, so 0.0182 from 0.018 to 1.3. It's like more than 10. It's like more than 10 times. 0.018 1.32. This was 7,000% gain from there. 0.018 to 1.32 was like a 7,000% gain, huge gain. And then 0.0899, it went to $3. So three actually it was point. Oh my god, what was it? That was the lowest from this cycle, 2020 cycle. 0.019. It was again from this lowest was 0.019. Okay, so I would say 0.19. What was it? 157. It was like 15,000%. So it gained 15,000% from December, from February 2020 till what's that? August 2021. It's like 1.5 year. In 1.5 year, it gained this one. So yeah, this is still people are saying that it's going to repeat this pattern. Okay. So it's going to repeat this pattern, and the best strategy is to just if you just want to you can if you are sure that is the lowest point, then just buy and hold, okay, for at least this like 1 or 2 years period. This is what I followed, watched some videos of Raoul Pal, and this is what he's advising, that from this point, until like sometime in 2026, he's advising to keep and hold for a huge gains. And some, depending on the crypto, you cannot predict, but it can go a lot higher. Yeah, so buying and holding is the strategy. And which crypto you choose, I think the best is going to be like safest is going to be just maybe diversify among the top whatever 5 or 10 cryptocurrencies, not just buy one. But anyway, they are most of like correlated. So some people just do this, that you buy one coin and keep most of their assets in that particular coin or crypto. It depends, how much much risk are you going to take. But anyway, this whole crypto sector, if it goes, one thing goes up, everything is going up to certain degree. So how much each of the individual coin is going to up, it just varies. Okay, they will depending on the popularity of this particular coin. Some will go less. We have gain different, each of them will have different amount of gain, but eventually I think 5 to 10%, 5 to 10 time is easily achievable, I think, from this point. in the crypto sector. Okay, so I would say this is quite a good thing. Yeah, but yeah, see this one. Even with Bitcoin, let's check this Bitcoin. Let's check the Bitcoin price. Okay, Bitcoin. I'm going to say the candlestick chart and all the whole um, thing. So it's also showing the chart from 2016 and a long time ago. Yeah. So if you see the bigger picture here, you would see that like there are different cycles in this picture. You can clearly see Bitcoin going from 3400, that was the lowest, 3400 in in late 2018 to it went first it went to 60, close to 64, 64,863, and then it corrected. Okay, went down to 30, close to 30,000 range, and then went back up to 68,000, and then from there it crashed badly. Yeah, 2021, it was October 31st was the peak, and it was 68,789, and from there Bitcoin went down to 15,600. And well, I was also like that. That is normal, because there were like restrictions on crypto exchanges during this cycle downtrend, and it was like I also had the same feeling that it's not going to go up, and the whole market is going to crash. But is back up from this point, in a matter of what I say, like a year, a year and a half. Is back up from 15,500 to it went to 73,700. Okay. So that's how it happens. People lose confidence when it goes down. Any security, cryptocurrency, stock, anything, when it goes down, people lose confidence, and they are so scared that they generally that they don't want to buy when it's low. Okay, and when it starts speaking up, everybody wants to have a piece of, want to buy it, and then it goes up higher and higher. When this FOMO hits, then everybody wants to buy it. Okay. So from this point, it's like 4 times again, 16,000, 18,000. Okay, it's like it gained like 400%, like 300%. But what I'm hearing is that a huge gain still has to be made from there. Okay. What it seems like, it might still go down a bit. We don't know. Maybe, I don't know. From there, it might go down. It might go down, but the strategy is just to, if you are buying here, I don't know, people will be scared. A lot of people will be scared to buy at this point. So yeah, and it might go down. It looks like it could go down a bit. It can have some correction, and then it will go back up again. For example, in this phase, this peaked, and then in 2 months time, there was when it was 64,800. It was in March, and then April, May, June, March, April, May, it went down, and so 3 months straight. So we don't know, actually. It might do the same thing, or maybe still hold it. But anyway, the long term forecast, what people are saying is that Bitcoin could hit 400k from this point. Not from this point, overall, of the maximum price, it could reach 400k. Some predicting it to be $1 million. For example, Kathy Wood, I watched her video, and she was predicting the Bitcoin to reach $1 million, but $400 is Raoul Paul's prediction. And he was also saying another chart they showed recently is like it's going to have this parabolic move from here, because if you just break this time, the whole time, like price chart, into small chunks of the up moves, it like the patterns are quite similar. Okay, so it stays, goes down, and then it starts trading back up again from the hitting the lowest of that cycle, exponential gain. So which we are experiencing here is the first phase, or it's like maybe still going on, and it will like go to 400k. It could go to that price very soon, maybe in a year or two, 16 months, 18 months. We don't know exactly, but the trend are telling that it could go like that. Okay. Hello, good morning. So actually the stream that I was running, that was like recorded a few days ago, and I would say again hello and welcome to my channel and my live stream. I hope I'm trying to be consistent and uh, do the streaming or this recording video offline, and then stream at a later time. But that's the thing. So today is June 24, June 24. Okay, so we are seeing the market here. Okay, and the stream that was playing there was like few days ago. The Bitcoin was in the trading like $63,000, and it has gone down a bit. Okay, so I'll just see here my screen, my screen that is showing up all uh, the prices of current price, weekly price of Bitcoin. Okay, so maybe make it a bit okay, I would say maybe I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so yeah, today this one here. Okay, so this one here is still showing this chart is in terms of market cap. This is a website. This website I found like some like lately. Crypto bubbles is showing in this form. Actually, yeah, like Bitcoin is currently showing 1.18 trillion dollar. Okay, if you are not able to hear me, just let me know. I think I will not keep this stream a bit very long, but yeah, just to just be do a quick review of the markets. Okay, crypto markets. So I usually do other things too, like gold, silver, and silver mining companies on my other main channel. This is my second channel, and basically I'm streaming here also most of the time related to cryptocurrencies. But my other channel is the main channel, which I have, which I have like for like a longer period of time. Is It has the stuff about uh, gold, silver, and crypto gold and silver, and cryptocurrencies, not cryptocurrencies actually, silver mining companies. So I'll just take a quick look at the crypto sector today. This stream was like 2 days ago, okay, 2 or 3 days ago, when Bitcoin was 63 or $64,000. So now it has gone a bit down. If you can see my screen, okay. So this one, okay, yeah, it has gone down a bit. Okay, so let's see the chart of Bitcoin trading chart, historical chart here. Okay, I'll show the all time chart. Okay, and have talked about this, shown it in this chart before. So let's see the daily one. This is the all-time chart, okay, where the recent lows were 16.9k and currently is going down. So I was saying in my last video also, yeah, see the price here currently is $60,000. Not even the chart, this one was showing $62,000, okay, but actual the price, trading price here is $60,000, okay. So when we see in the daily chart, yeah, it's like $60,000 here. So it's like in a downtrend, so it might go a little bit lower, okay. So it could go, I don't know when, which will be the bottom of this downtrend, because you know, here we can see this one, this low, like recent low that was made here was $63,000. So if it is if this is the level, if it breaks this level, the low of 50, yeah, this was the $56,000 level, okay. So that becomes support, okay, that becomes the support, okay. So when if it breaks this support, it could go to like 40, 48, 49k, which was the last peak, I think. Yeah, so this was the peak here, that was $61,000, and this one was, yeah, that was the thing. So when it is in downtrend, we don't know how low it will go. It might recover from there, this point, $56,000, but it might, it's unpredictable, but generally what I am hearing, that is the market, the way things are going on these days, it's very likely that it can go down, but then there is it will bounce back. That has happened before, and it will happen. So whenever there is a downtrend, it's a great opportunity to buy. It's a great opportunity to buy the dips, okay. Yeah, this is something, and then what else? Okay, so what I was hearing in other watching some other experts videos, that this cyclical kind of pattern is there in the crypto market, and crypto market is divided into different kind of securities, like some are like DeFi, and then altcoins. So what I am seeing here, that not everything is down, like altcoins, okay, are getting some are getting kind of looks like they are reversing. For example, this one, one of the one I was seeing was Phantom, which is also quite popular. Okay, so maybe I would search here. Yeah, this one. So Phantom, that's also quite popular, and is the market cap of Phantom is like $1.8 billion. Okay, and again I'm going to see the candlestick chart. Okay, and all-time chart. Okay, maybe just see the daily chart, and then but daily doesn't show everything. Okay, so let's say yearly chart. Okay, yeah, so when we see this chart, it seems to that it looks like that it has seen its recent bottom and it's bouncing back, but we cannot actually nobody can guarantee where what is it, if it is going to be further down or not. You can do people do technical analysis, and by looking at the technicals, the way pattern is looking like, it seems like it's going to be bouncing from here. Okay, so what we have to observe how it will behave. So the best strategy, and you see year 1 year return of Phantom is 91.9%, but compared to if you see technical and according to if you based on technical analysis, this every leg has the gain. So let's say the previous leg had this gain from 0.3 to 0.0. Yes, it's 0.3 to 1.22. So like 4 times, I think. So from this point also, it has the possibility of reaching like 4x from the current point. So yeah, like $2, it could hit $2 in the next during its next leg, which I'm feeling like it's going to be bouncing from here. Okay, bouncing back up from here. So yeah, like 1 month pattern you can see from here is showing daily price. So this was June 17 was the lowest price of this leg, and it has been consistently going up for the last 7 days, which is quite positive. Okay, so yeah, but when we see the Bitcoin chart, that pattern is different. It's in the downtrend. Let's go back to let's say BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, is it? Yeah, Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin again, and then we see 1 month trend. Yeah, so Bitcoin is clearly in the down, clearly looking like in the downtrend. See, so the hit highest was 70,000, 71,000, and now you see it is still going making lower lows from that day, and which this day was June 6th. So it made the highest on June 6th, and then it's continuously going down. So Bitcoin seems to be going in continuously downtrend, and I'm not going to make any like recommendation or anything, but yeah, just looks to be going in the downtrend. So yeah, I mean, if somebody wants to buy Bitcoin, they could wait a bit, but other thing, altcoin clearly seems to be making going in the uptrend. Okay, so that's my take for for looking at the current chart. It looks like it's all in the downtrend, the Bitcoin. So we have to wait for a bit to see if somebody is like interested in buying it. They should wait for a while for it. But otherwise, your general strategy is to people that use it. This strategy is just to buy, over like a regular interval to keep their price, to keep their average purchasing price down. Okay, so this is what I have to say for today. And it seems to me looking at the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies as I have talked before, is like $2.2 trillion, which is very, very a small portion of the overall investment market. So the thing, if it's once crypto are, I think they are getting mass adoption, decentralized currencies, because people have lost confidence on the fiat money, and they are buying trying to drift away from fiat. It's not like you just US dollar, all types of currencies. Okay, so what's happening that this will create a surge of the money will just shift to these sectors. And even if, like, let's say 2 to 3%, or even if 2% of the money which is held by a big fund managers, if they allocate the money to gold sector, Bitcoin, silver, so these have great chance to skyrocket. Okay, even the physical gold, physical silver, and also this Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more like common among young generation, millennials, but gold and silver is most favored by older people. But still, it's a solid investment. You can have it. But like, there are different opinions. Like, some people, the people who are holding gold and silver, physical metals, they think that, okay, what will happen if the whole system goes down? For example, the whole system crashes, currency reset scenarios, those kind of things, and system reset. If the internet doesn't work, let's say the internet doesn't work, how you can withdraw your Bitcoin? Okay, how you can use it, how you can do online transaction? You cannot do those things when in that system down scenario. And I actually watch those kind of people who with in that who are having this kind of belief too, because it could happen. But we have to be prepared for all types of things, because nowadays we don't know where the world is going to be. But it's better to be prepared in both ways. So I would say, like, personally myself, I would say, okay, I would hold some like cryptocurrencies too, and also hold some physical gold and some other investment we just on the side. But like, having a diversification is a good strategy. But it depends. Everybody has different investing strategies. Some people, especially when I'm hearing these lately, have been hearing these crypto guys which are like quite expert in cryptocurrencies. They are their strategy is opposite. So they say that instead of diversifying, if because all the assets like Bitcoin, gold, silver, they are all quite correlated. So instead of diversifying, like, for example, I was watching Raoul Paul's video, and he's saying he was telling that he has most of his investment in Solana. So this is Solana. And he just was talking about it, and he did this call about Solana a year ago. And then actually Solana, if you see all time, it has gone up a bit, from here. Let's say it was like how much was it, like 19, low was $17.6. It went from 17.6 to 200, like something. So it's like 10 times, more than 10 times. And now it's also going down again from that point. So I mean, like, Raoul Paul was saying that 90 or 80 or 90% of his holdings are in Solana. I mean, I don't know. And he was saying is because that if you have all the securities, all the investment in the market, like these things are correlated, so this, like, and for example, but correlated, but is like there is opposite, they go in the opposite direction. So when dollar goes up, these things like gold and Bitcoin, all these and silver also goes down. When dollar goes down, they go up. So there is opposite. So but they are quite correlated, like Bitcoin and gold and silver. So what they are saying, if choose the one that gives the like the best maximum gain. So that's actually like different kind of a strategy everybody is having. Yeah, so that's the thing. But you see, it's better to just whatever you want to do, just do your own research, do the research, feel confident. And also this, because these are all risky investments, okay, especially crypto sector is quite risky. So just need to have this thing that if you are able to handle those huge fluctuations in prices, then go for it. If not, then it's better to buy some mutual funds or ETF or S&P, like index funds, like those things, to be, but those don't give like lower return overall. um, so the higher the risk, the higher the reward is going to be. But just the thing is averaging down. And if averaging down is a good strategy, buying dips is a good strategy. But for that you need to know, actually be you need to know the technical analysis. And even if like the thing, the market are like so like volatile, people lose their track, um cannot follow their strategy. For example, I was watching a video by Raoul Paul, and he was telling that one of the expert investors, okay, he bought some crypto. I think what was I don't know which crypto was he talking about. I don't remember, but I think he was telling that he bought and he made this gain, and then he screwed himself up. He lost like $2 billion. So just when people start having a huge gains, they start doing stupid things, okay. So that's the thing. So it has to be like very careful with the investment. Need to have a particular strategy, need to take profit when there is an opportunity to take profits, because these markets are so volatile. They would not stay like they will not keep going up. Anything like Bitcoin, gold, silver, or stocks, whatever, there's so much volatility because of this. Maybe I would say because of this digital age, everybody has access to trading, so there is more volatility. So it's better to just take profits over time, okay. So that's my take for today. I think I'll just stop here, and we'll come back again with new thoughts, okay. And yeah, I mean, I will still have to like follow this thing, that to make like be um, uh, uh, publish videos and live stream regularly. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share these videos, and like my videos, which because it helps YouTube algorithms to promote videos, right? So do this favor. And yeah, you can also donate, if you feel like, if you want to support my work, okay. So you can also donate. The links are below. I think I'll have yeah. So that's the thing for now.